What's up, what's up, what's up again? Welcome to everybody. Today I want to talk about a few things that was going on this week. I had a busy week. Anyway, I'll tell you guys about it right after this intro.
Let go of everything.
Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button so you guys can keep up with me all the time. I greatly appreciate it. Guys, so I got some news that might turn my whole business in another direction. What I mean by that is there's goods and bads. So first, let me start off with the bad. Bad is I'm gonna need more productive equipment, bigger equipment, so to fulfill the orders that I have to do. The bad in that is that I'm gonna have to spend money at this point to get bigger equipment. So yeah, it's not gonna be a little bit easy, but I hope that it will work and generate the profit that I need to pay those equipment. Nobody has, thousands of dollars just laying around to throw away. So, anybody who's getting that type of equipment that I need is gonna have to finance it or, put money aside little by little to get that equipment or vice versa, whatever the case may be. So that's the bad. So the good that I'm looking at it is I've been dealing with a person that has multiple locations in a business, and I am hoping to generate all their offices. So if I am able to make their shirts for all their offices, all their employees, which in return would be great for me because it's consistent for all kinds of merchandises, from mugs to to shirts to uniforms, whatever the case may be. This is going to be a definite plus for me, and I'm hoping that it works out. Well, I'm not going to say I'm hoping, I'm going to try to make that work out. So if that contract falls through, then yes, I'll be golden for a little bit. I'm not going to say that, everything lasts forever, because everybody's always looking for the cheaper way out. But I am hoping that I can get that contract. It'll be beneficial to my business, and in return, it'll be beneficial to you guys because you guys get to see me working on different equipments, and I can showcase more videos for you guys. So that's a definite plus. I am definitely gonna try my best to get everything going, and hopefully this works through. So wish me luck, guys, man. Pray for me, and hopefully everything will fall in place. So I know I also said that I wanted to do a live this week. I was so busy. I had graduation, my daughter's graduation to go to. I also had graduation orders. I had walk-in orders. I had so many things going on this week that I wasn't able, plus Monday was a holiday, so it even shortened my week. So many things going on that I wasn't able to go on live, and I apologize for that, and I know I could do it live right now, but I still don't know how to really work the live. I don't know which camera angle you have to be in order to do the live for me to be able to see what people are commenting on. So I'm still testing that out. I'll get back to you guys on that live. Hopefully I could do it pretty soon. So I'm just finishing up an order that I did for a client. It's fairly simple. So I'm just pressing one shirt front and a small little print on the back. And hopefully it works out okay. Hopefully I can get it straight. Nothing ever straight, but and it is not straight. See, good thing I always look at it. So yeah, man, if I get that contract, it's gonna be great. I mean, I'm definitely gonna need it. That'll definitely help out, as you know, with everything, especially the money situation. You know, what times are tough right now, and things are going so expensive that you don't know what to do anymore. I mean, you know, the price of shirts and everything are going up. Material costs is going up. Even people that just, you know, locally that are selling things, their prices are going up extremely. I mean, who would have thought it? You're paying $5 for a dozen eggs. It's outrageous, and that chicken lays an egg a day. You know, and you eat it whichever way you want to eat it. I mean, it's just crazy. This world is getting to that point. But you know, we got to make the best of it, and we got to look for our ways to have everything done, or I should say, make it best for us and your family, whatever your situation is. With me, I'm out there, I'm trying to, you know, I'm grinding. I'm trying to get those contracts. I'm trying to get those, you know, those orders in, and I do my best to do what I got to do to get it. And you know, everybody has a different way of getting their contracts, but you got to start somewhere, man. Go out there, pass your flyers, talk to different people, you know, give them samples, show them what you can offer them, and everything will fall in play, man. Don't try to be in a rush and get all this equipment and stuff like that you're gonna fall in debt, and you're not gonna be really productive in what you want to do, because it's not easy. I mean, you need a lot of time, a lot of effort to do what you got to do. So on that note, guys, you know, it's just what it is. So let me finish this up. Sorry, I know I'm rambling. I'm always rambling, but that's the way it is sometimes, right? You got to ramble to get your point across. Like, nah, I did too much. Anybody that will see me doing this would be like, oh, you're just anal about it, you know? But I like to give a customer some nice stuff. I don't want to, especially if I see the work and I see you wearing it, and I see that the logo's all messed up. I actually should have left it alone before. It was good. You know, I keep moving it. But yeah, guys, man, I want you guys to leave in the comments and let me know what you guys did for this Memorial Day weekend. You know, I want to thank all the veterans out there. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that are veterans, especially a lot of them that do the embroidery stuff and, you know, the DTF stuff and the screen printing. Guys, thank you very much. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a veteran. My whole family's are veterans, and I was supposed to go, you know, paper signed, and I was getting ready to get shipped out, and I got into a car accident, which I broke my right leg in 3 different places, and that cost me my career in the military. So I wasn't able to fulfill my family legacy of going into the military. But if you have that chance, man, the military is the right thing. It'll definitely show you some responsibilities, and plus you get a lot of advantages. You know, everything in the military is not easy, but you get to do what you got to do. I'm starting to get a little annoyed here because I keep changing it, but I'm gonna definitely yeah, so that was my weekend. You know, my weekend was pretty good. You know, I try to focus on my family, which I did. I spent time with my family. I did what I had to do. I also, you know, I came in Tuesday, you know, thinking about everything, and I was like, you know what, I got to get out there. I got to start doing more. I got to start trying to see if I can, you know, make my business grow a little bit more. Well, get more revenue. So that way, you know, I won't struggle. My family won't struggle through hard times. And that's what I'm doing this year. That's all I'm gonna dedicate myself to that. You know, I'm gonna make sure that I get the money that I need for them. You know, even if I gotta spend a little money to make money, but hey, it's got to be done. It's got to be done. I mean, if you look at the news, you see all the stuff that's happening. You know, it is kind of scary, man. And I ain't gonna lie, man. You don't know what's gonna happen. You know, it could be good right now, and you could be struggling later. So yeah, guys, a few other things about I ordered a press. I know I told you guys about it, and it's funny that my press is still on back order. And I know you guys are gonna say, well, why don't you know, cancel the order and get it somewhere else? Why? Because I want this particular press. I want it so bad that I could taste it, if you know what I mean. It's gonna fit right here in the middle. It's gonna do what I needed to do. It's gonna be great for production, and I'm hoping that they get it back in stock and they send it to me. You know, I ordered a bigger vinyl cutter as well because I needed to do a bigger, you know, window fronts or doors or whatever the case may be. I just want to have that bigger cutting press. For me, it'll work out. So, all right. So I'm doing a back small hit. It's just a QR code for this guy. It's nothing big, nothing extravagant. I'm just trying. I know I could probably use the hat press to do this. I should, but so many, you know what? Maybe if I put it inside a shirt, that'll probably work out better for me. Let me just line this up. So yeah, going back to talking about equipment, it's gonna be a hell of a trip and a hell of a mission to get all this equipment that I need, and hopefully it'll work out for me. It's just for me, it is extremely a lot of money. I'm trying to cut costs in different corners just because of the way things are. You know, it's just not, like I told you guys before, it wasn't the right time for me to buy, but I have to do something in order to fulfill these orders. So it's got to be done, guys. Got to be done. And no matter which way you look at it, if you don't do it, then somebody else is gonna take that money and they're gonna, you know, they're gonna enjoy it. They're gonna reap the benefits of it. And you know, this contract will be a contract for 3 years or more. So I really don't want to mess this up, man. I really need to get this. Well, I'm not gonna say I really need to get this. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna make it happen. No matter which way I look at it, I'm gonna make it happen because that's just the person I am. I feel that I can, and I will. And I'm gonna stay positive. I'm gonna stay strong because I need this. And I know a lot of people out there probably need it too, man. Just go out there and hustle for yours. Just hustle for yours. You know, people are always gonna try to slow you down, but you gotta make it, man. You gotta go out there. You gotta take it for what it is. So yeah, man. Now that you know I finished this order up, I gotta go on there and design, give some samples to this customer. Guys, stay tuned with me, man. There's gonna be a lot of changes that I'm gonna be going through, and hopefully it takes me in the right direction, and we'll be able to show more stuff or showcase more things for you guys to see. And as soon as these equipment start coming in, man, I'll start doing an unboxing of all these equipments and showing you what I got. And maybe it might work out for you, these equipments that I'm getting. All right, guys, so I am finished with my one little shirt. I want you guys to stay with me like I told you before. Guys, on this note, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Next week, hopefully I'll do a good video. I got some customers coming in, and hopefully I can show you, if they allow me, show you how I deal with the customers and how I set things up, and maybe that might help you guys out how to talk to one of them. So stay tuned for the next one. On this note, God bless. Peace.